Hey guys, King Glitch here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the overclock feature on MSI Afterburner. First off, you're going to want to go to Chrome or whatever Internet Explorer you have. Just type in Google, go to Google, and then type in MSI Afterburner. Should be the first thing that pops up. Just click it. You'll just want to go all the way down to the bottom. You'll have these three options: MSI Afterburner, Afterburner app for Android, and Afterburner remote server. Just go to the MSI Afterburner. You'll want to download that. I already got it downloaded, so I'm not going to do it. You can exit back out of that, and then open up MSI Afterburner. Alright, it'll bring up a little interface like this, and then you'll want to click over here. Before you do that, you want to turn your core voltage, your power limit, and temp all the way up. And your fan speed, you can leave it auto, or you can turn on the 80 or to 100. 80 to 100 probably be best bet. To unlock your core voltage, you want to go to settings, go down to unlock voltage control, and unlock voltage monitoring. Damn. And then you want to hit apply and OK. And then you'll want to put that up, put your temp up, press OK on that, and then you want to click it. The first thing, it'll pull this up. You want to click scan. It'll take a few minutes, probably about 30 minutes. You want to let that finish. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and get back to it after it's finished. Alright guys, so after it's done scanning and it's overclock curve exported to MSI Afterburner, you'll want to test it. And then while it's testing, it'll go through everything that is scanned and test just like a benchmark would. Now they have its own benchmark to test it. I'll be back after it's done testing. It's going to take a few minutes too. I'm going to pause the video and I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back. After the test is completed, it's going to give you a confidence level. Mine says 90%. Usually that's what it'll say. If it's 90% or if it's over 60, it should be good. You just go ahead and exit out of this, and then it should automatically be saved into here. You just press save, then you can save it to a profile. If you want it to turn on as soon as you start up, just click that. Now, for right now, this does not affect your memory clock. You'll have to do that yourself. The easiest way to do it is just the same way with your core clock. You'll just have to add some and then check it on a game or a benchmark. Most newer graphics card will do 1,000. That's what I'm going to set mine to. You can just save it again. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. If you like the content, like, subscribe. I'll be putting more of these small videos online or on YouTube. Thank you.